Hello, Kellan.
Oh, hi! This is
Hi.
another Kellan Super Fun Time video. So, for this time, we're gonna talk about nature and how nature is good and it helps you and yeah, so trees, they have oxygen to help us breathe and I don't know really why, but I'm just almost 7.5. I haven't made a video in I don't know, a month or two. So this is another video talking about nature. So we're gonna talk about nature and flowers. Flowers all around us. That one's kind of butterfly. Another one. So, and flowers, some smell good, some have thorns. Like these. They don't have thorns, but they do smell good. Real pinky. And those purple ones right there, they're not looking too good. Because we had them for I don't know, about a week or two, or 3 weeks. Because we got it from Home Depot. And, I mean, they're good. Okay, nature. And we also got a hammock at the start of the video, you saw it. And it's got rainbow. And it's not too easy to assemble. Just put these together. But it does take a few days. But then you gotta put the hook like this. It also folds up. For me, it just folds up. And it also does these ropes. It can hold up to 550 pounds. So yeah, need I don't know. Okay, nature. Trees, flowers. And we also got birds. Bird nests. We had 5 birds. Bird nests. And we saw the cute baby birds. And the mom was feeding them. Oh, so cute. And there's a nest right there. You can see a little hole right here. Then there's a nest over there. Right there. And then we got plants. Grass. Yeah, of course, grass. And we also got leaves. And animals, leaves, something, and grass grow up to I don't know, 5 feet, 10, I don't know. Some grass is super long, cattails are high, and sunflowers, and the tall. And Oh yeah, we also have a pear tree. You can see pears are there. And yeah. So that will be the end of Kellan Super Fun Time video. And if you're new, subscribe. And if you're not new and you're not subscribed, subscribe. And you can always unsubscribe and hit that like button.